Hello, YouTube. I would like to discuss whether or not Lambda School is worth it. And so right here, I'm in the curriculum. Oh, it has all my tabs open. Well, I guess you're gonna see all my tabs. I just got done with the React portion. We're making the traditional calculator and UI components. I just updated mine. This is mine. Ruben's fire calculator. Uh, Now, keep in mind that I built this from scratch, and I know it's like one of those cliche projects, but this is entirely from scratch. All I did was copy the design files. Yeah, so all I did was copy this. I did all the CSS also. Anyways, yeah, so I got it to work somewhat. Divide this by like I don't know 3. Oh, yeah, that happens. Multiply that by 2. 32. Cool. So is Lambda School worth it or not? Like, I would not have been able to build this from scratch, um, ever. If I was just following tutorials like on Treehouse, there's no way. Like a lot of those lectures and the MOOCs where you just pay a subscription to learn code and take all their tutorials and stuff like that. It doesn't really teach you how to think and how to use the tools, because you're just watching someone do it and you're not actually practicing the material. So basically, another thing about Lambda School is you get real world experience. Well, you don't actually like just get to work in a team of paid software engineers like immediately, but you get something pretty close to that, and it's called Build Week. So you're put in like a group. Mine had a group of 4 people. Let's go back there. Mine had a group of 4 people. Um, I'm the fireball. I need to update that. But this was our team lead. The other 3 people, I did the UI. Steven did the front end, and Corey did the back end. So we kind of take these and combine it into an app. So if you want to see what I did, now I know this is not impressive at all, but the point is that I wasn't able to do this before. I wasn't able to just design something in my head and then just lay it out on paper. And this is all within 5 weeks. Then deploy it to Netlify. They teach you everything that you would need to know. Anyways, who should apply it to Lambda School? And I think you should apply if you already know that you can learn. I mean, like, obviously everyone can learn, but like, if you can stay committed to something, learn it and then apply it. So, a common example of people that can do that are college students. Um, if you're a college student, you had to learn your math. You had to like do the homework, and then you had to take a test. That's that's not how Lambda School is because there's no textbook. It's really hard to explain. It's not doing homework. It's more like doing work. Because it in the end, like homework is a little meaningless. You're learning, you're practicing a skill, but when you're doing like a Lambda project, you're not only doing it to keep up with the material, but you're doing it for like your future. So yes, it's homework. It's homework, but it's not homework. So let's check out my GitHub. I want to show you the what I did different. So if you look here at like the Treehouse Tech degree in JavaScript, I made it up to 60% of the way there, which is Unit 6. Before I needed to go into Udemy and YouTube and try to learn all the stuff that the tutorials didn't really pound in my brain. and these are my commits during the tech degree. So on September 4th was when I officially started coding on Treehouse. And then I was like, you know what, man? If I really want to do this and I really want to invest in myself, I should do the tech degree. And yeah, I started it, and then I was like, oh shoot, I need to finish. I need to finish. Contribute, 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 contribute. And that was basically up until December. But there's a problem with paying monthly for for a subscription. It doesn't hold you accountable. It's not I need to learn this. It's like if I don't finish this, I don't get my money's worth. Well, that's how it felt to me. Like I didn't feel it was actually education. Um, but with Lambda School, like you already pay a set price. You're getting top quality education. Josh Snell is an instructor at Lambda School, and he's like an adjunct computer science faculty. Then we have a person that graduated from like Dev Mountain teaching, but they're really top of the line, and they're a lot more empathetic than a traditional professor. For some reason, honestly, I can't just talk to a screen in front of hundreds of students and then answer every single one of their questions because that's what those instructors do. I don't know how they do it. They must be paid a lot of money to focus and answer a question and help them out. But I think it's worth it. Anyway, maybe I could go into the schedule in like a future video, but you know what? I'm pretty excited for the future. Um, so hope you took away something useful. Well, anyways, I'm out. I'll talk to you later.